Okay, hello everybody and welcome to this little extra vlog. Look who I'm with.
Hello.
We're actually about to film a little video for Alice's channel. If you didn't know, she does Raw Wednesday videos where it's like uncut, chatty, life advice basically. And we're going to film one now, although I'm really not happy with my makeup. I mean, I tried to do this
Looks nice. I like it. Just add some lipstick.
I think I'm going to add a different colour lipstick because this is very nude and I look very like...
Yeah, add a bit of colour.
Yeah. But anyway, and then I think we're going to go out shopping, which we didn't do yesterday, and get some food because we were just saying that's what it always revolves around.
Yeah.
Food.
Food is the
So yeah, I'll catch up with you when we're doing that. Okay guys, so now in the French Gate Centre, and it's been ages since I've properly been inside. I was briefly here last weekend when I got stranded in Doncaster, but I haven't been inside. In fact, I don't really think I've ever been inside. So we're going to go to Costa because... Ooh, funky lights down there. Anyway,
that's a cool wallpaper.
It is. But yeah, we're gonna go to Costa because we just walked here from where we parked the car, which was about 5 minutes away, and it's so cold. When we were walking here, I was like, yeah, no, February's just not a nice month to be outside in. But anyway, right now we're gonna get a coffee. Hannah and I both really were in the mood for a caramelised latte, but now I kind of want a hot drink.
Yeah, me too. I was thinking that on our way.
I was like, you know what, iced latte, maybe just a regular one.
Yeah.
But anyway, here we go.
Seats in a minute.
Guys, we've come to Starbucks and you know you've bought too much when they offer you a tray. I was like, yeah. But I've got a caramelised latte. I've got a ham and cheese croissant, which Hannah thinks is really strange, and Alice agrees. And then I was going to save this for later, but they haven't given me anything like a bag, so I'm going to have to eat this now, which is emotional. And then got these two over here. Right, okay guys, we finished up in Starbucks. I actually met two of you guys who were really, really lovely. So that was nice to chat to you guys. And then we just went in Clinton's and we literally just here walking past. I was literally just vlogging. I was like, oh, I just met two really lovely viewers in Starbucks and they're literally right here. that was very well timed. Anyway, that was really nicely timed, so there you go, that was who I was talking about. I think they're called Finley and Maddie, so if they're watching, hello. We're just walking to New Look now because Alice wants to have a cheeky look at a dress for the awards she's going to.
Oh my God.
And then, oh, it's right here, here's New Look. And then I think my train is in like an hour and a half, 2 hours, I have no idea what time it is. I think it's maybe 2 hours. But I'm on a spending ban, as I mentioned earlier this week when I went to London and then I accidentally found myself in Forever 21 and had a huge splurge. And I never showed you what I bought, so I might show you. But yeah, I'm not going to buy anything. These girls are going to restrain me if I try and buy anything. Yeah. Guys, look at the name of this sofa collection. This is what I'm going to have when I have a house. The Sherlock, yes please. That's such a Sherlock chair actually. And you've got the Alfie. Maybe that's inspired by Alfie Days. And this one's inspired by Sherlock. Not sure who that is. Guys, there's Beauty and the Beast things everywhere. Build-A-Bear, I've got a little thing going on in the middle of the French Gate Centre. Actually so excited for the release of the film because I love that Disney film. And I really like Emma Watson, so I'm really excited for them. End of March I think. But yeah, I'm very excited. Look at the bears we've just found in Toys R Us. Literally, they're so huge. I really want, like, this is just the best hug ever really, isn't it? I just like literally my face planted it. Oh. We've come to find a bench because we're all really tired, even though we did get sleep.
We're so boring.
We're sitting on a bench, I mean, like, fun times. But I discovered the background is like my aesthetic on the next level. Look at this.
Nice forehead.
I know, my forehead's made a lot of cheeky appearances, but it matches my eyeshadow. And I just really like purple, so this would match my room and my Instagram. Alice is over there.
My weird bunny looks funny.
You're rocking the space buns. Like, I think you're doing a good job. Hannah's half asleep.
I am. I'm literally like falling asleep as I sit on the
How old are you?
Watching the Virgin man like dance.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's gone. The guy that works in the Virgin store.
He's just gone out the back.
He's been trying to attract people into the shop and we're just sat
his
opposite.
trainers on.
And there's music playing and he's just like dancing to himself because nobody's going in. Everybody's just walking past and completely ignoring it. But got proper stared at by that man.
Yeah, that's people thought you were just filming them, a little weirdo.
Oh well. Oh, is he coming back? I'll film him when he comes back.
No, you can't film him. Oh, like Molly, that's so obvious.
No, it's not.
At least put it on your knee.
Okay, I'll lower it. I'll lower it. You ready?
When she started dancing, he's polishing. Molly,
Yes, it is.
Molly's gonna see you.
Oh well. Look at this guy. What a guy.
Let's not all look at him. Alice, don't look at him.
He's not dancing. By the way, guys, Hannah wants me to tell you because she feels like it's probably the respectable thing to do.
Yeah.
But about a month ago, my hamster died.
It's not funny.
It's really not. But I didn't vlog it because it happened on a Sunday, and then I forgot by the weekly vlog. So yeah.
What was it called?
Snitch.
Oh, Snitch. You
So
forgot about it.
if any of you watched and liked my hamster, it died.
Can someone please make an edit with some sad music and lots of footage of Snitch?
Yeah, like R.I.P.
Yeah, like, have you got any pictures of Snitch?
Yeah, I think he was in the vlog.
Oh, okay. Can someone find the footage of Snitch in the vlog and then do a little memorial for him?
Yeah.
That was a month ago. And
We feel like it might be respectful, you know, to do that. So always dancing with the duster.
Molly, we're talking about Snitch.
Sorry, yeah. Anyway, we buried him. If any of you are wondering, we did give him a pet funeral. I can't fit you both in shot at the same time.
I'm just like an egg.
R.I.P. Hannah's really upset.
I am. Molly, what are you doing?
Filming myself singing JLS.
Remember JLS? One of them's got a farm now.
I've seen one of them's got a
One
what?
of them's been arrested.
Who?
Ooh, I think.
Who?
Don't hold me to that.
Yeah. What? Are you sure?
No, but I'm pretty sure. I'm going to Google it. One of them's got a farm.
Yeah, I loved JLS. I saw JLS in concert like just once, but I didn't really like
Were
them.
you yellow or blue?
I was blue. What were you?
I like Marvin.
Oh, was it? I didn't know.
Marvin was
Green. Green? You was Aston.
green. I was Aston, yeah.
Why do I even know
I
their
had
name?
a hoodie that said Molsley Olsley on the back and Mrs. Marigold on the front. Like I was 10. I was so like, oh no, it's still in my wardrobe actually.
Oh my god. You need to throw that away.
Yeah, I'll find it later and send you a photo of it. It was a low point. It's okay, we all have them. Okay guys, we've come out of the French gate. It's actually raining. We're heading back to the station. My train is at 58 past, Hannah's train's at 55 past, so we're pretty much going like at the same time. My train's like an hour back home. It's not too far, and yeah, only bad thing is my laptop's dead, so I'm not gonna really have anything to do on the train. I wanted to.
But Molly, you can revise.
Oh yeah, I've got my English lit. Oh. No, the plan was to edit this vlog on the train, but I'll just have to do it when I get in. But I have another video to edit when I get in, so it's going to be a long night. But yeah, it's been fun. We didn't actually do that much shopping. We kind of did spend most of the time sitting on a bench.
We ate food and sat down. That's literally what we did.
Yeah, that literally is us. Like, yeah, but it's been really nice. It's been really chilled out. I did just have this chat on Alice's vlog, so if you want to see that, then you can watch hers. But channel link down below.
If you remember.
Yeah, I actually will remember. I'm not as bad as you.
I've got 2 channels there.
That's true. Alright, but we're heading back to the car and then we're gonna go, which is really sad, although hopefully we'll see each other again.
Yeah, I think we're doing this again soon.
Yeah, like March time-ish, but anyway. Oh, car. Oh my god. Show them we are, show them we are. I just can't sing.
Oh.
Show them we are better, we're staying in Paris.
Oh, you ready for this, Molly?
Yeah, already. Big puddle splash coming. Oi!
So easily amused.
In something brand new. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family is doing okay. In the taxi, kiss in the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. Okay guys, it's been ages and I'm back home now. I haven't vlogged since I got back in, I don't think. And I've actually been on you now for like an hour and a half, and I was like, it started out as a joke, being like, oh, let's see if we can hit 62k tonight, because my subscribers have been so dead for ages. And I started it out as a joke, and then I put my Snapchat on public and I allowed everybody to Snapchat me, and I started opening them on you now, and it seemed to be like working, and then we've just hit 62k, which is amazing. I'm so happy, and these guys over on you now have been amazing. So guys, if you want to be in the vlog tonight, then just comment, and this will be going up tomorrow night, so 6 o'clock on Monday, and let me know if you see yourself in the comments, because you guys have been amazing tonight. I've been on for ages. Look how long I've been on for. It's been crazy. Okay guys, I might actually go now just because I want to be able to edit this vlog quite early tonight so that I don't get to sleep really late. But I was just on you now for like an hour and a half and honestly it was amazing. I added loads of you back on Snapchat and we hit 62k and we just had a really nice time. Like I absolutely love my viewers on you now because it just, I don't know, I feel like I talk to them on a more one-on-one level. I don't know, you should watch me on you now if you don't. But anyway, I feel like I'm gonna go. I don't know why I always say that. I don't know why I'm like, I feel like I might go. I'm gonna go because I want to be able to edit this vlog. So hopefully you enjoyed watching me go shopping with Hannah and Alice and our little chats and just all of the stuff that happened today. And also tomorrow I have such an exciting video going up. Like honestly, I've never uploaded anything like this. Tomorrow's video is the most out there video I've probably ever put up and I'm so excited about it. It's kind of related to what day it is tomorrow, so you might be able to work it out, but it's not at all what you're expecting. So hopefully you're gonna love it and I will see you all then at 6 o'clock tomorrow night, so be ready for that because honestly, I'm excited. Thank you all for watching the vlogs this weekend with Hannah and Alice. I hope you have enjoyed them. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not already, and subscribe to Hannah and Alice as well because they're really lovely. And I will see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Bye!